Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of WhenWearHow Brunch at Tiffany's edition. So, it's Sunday and it's brunch somewhere, right? Yes, my favorite time of the week. I love brunch and I'm here to bring you another sexy, delicious brunch drink. So, if this is your first time checking out any video, definitely click subscribe, like, comment, share, do all of that good stuff because Brunch at Tiffany's is definitely where you want to be. You never want to miss a Brunch at Tiffany's episode, right? Okay, so today we're going to do, the weather's getting nice. I love it. I'm excited. Things are starting to open up. So it's about to be brunch. And this is a sexy brunch drink that you can do. It's very simple, very easy, and what I like about it is that I'm using fruit, so it's healthy, right? Whenever you use fruit, it's healthy. Okay, cool. So this is gonna be a sexy sangria that I'm making, and like I said, sangria is so simple to make. Honestly, you can do it however you want to do it. Literally, you can put any kind of fruit you want, any kind of wine you want. But I like to add a little spice to it, a little liquor to it, just to, get people really feeling good. Get them loosen up, right? All right, so what I'm using today, I'm using fresh fruit. So I have some strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, and some mango. I didn't want my mango to go to waste, so I'm using mango. I'm using white wine, and I'm using a little honey brandy. Yes, honey brandy. And I'm also going to use a little agave just to sprinkle on the top. Healthy agave, not sugar. So let's get to it. This is a great drink, if you want to have girlfriends over and it's like, hey, we just want to hang out, we just want to talk, we want to laugh, we want to have brunch, we want to have bacon and sangria and chicken and waffles. Oh my God, I love brunch. All right, so let's get to it. Let's not waste any more time. So first, what I want to do is I'm going to definitely put my fruit first. I'm going to move my glass over a little bit. So I want to put my fruit first. So I'm going to pour my mangoes in here. Yeah, I didn't want them to go to waste, so I wanted to use them up. And the mangoes, oh my gosh, I love when mangoes are like, this guy don't want to come out? All right, he can stay. That's fine. We're going to eat you. Right? So I'm going to throw my blackberries in here. Now, I definitely already washed all of my fruit. Guys, make sure you wash your fruit. Like, don't just buy the fruit from the store and throw it in here. That's disgusting. So definitely wash your fruit. And what I like about using like different fruits is like it just gives you some color. Like I love having some color in here. And like I said, it makes you feel like you're eating healthy when you use fruit, right? Makes me feel like it. And don't be scared. Like you can use as much or as less as you want. I'm using all of it because I don't want my fruit to go to waste. Sometimes then it's good to like layer because then you get all of these colors in there. It's just great. And I love when like fruit is like soaking in alcohol. It's just amazing. And I'm losing some of my blackberries here, but it's okay. Now I'm throwing in my strawberries. Okay, so now we do the favorite part. We pour in the liquor. So we're gonna pour in our brandy first. And like I said, this is just like, to give it a little extra oomph when you're drinking it. So we're gonna pour in our brandy. And like I said, I'm using a honey brandy. And you just want to pour a little bit in there. Yeah, I'm using Christian Brothers. It's a very good brandy. I actually like that brandy, honestly. And then we pop open the white wine. I'm using a Sauvignon Blanc. And this is what's great about this recipe. You don't have to measure anything. Like, you literally just pour as much as you want or as little as you want. But I want to fill it all the way up because I want all of my fruit, especially my fruit at the top, to get soaked in there, right? Look how how beautiful this looks. Like, do you see this? Do you see this? Oh, this looks so good. And then, like I said, I'm just gonna pour a little agave on the top. And then you see the agave dip down. Like, it's just so delicious. And like I said, I love how these colors look. You have your yellow, and then you go into your blue, and then your red. And what you can do is, what's great about this drink is when you have people over, what they can do is they can pour, and then you just get a little, some toothpicks or little forks, and they can just take whatever fruit they want and put it in their drink. That's what I love about this guy. So look how this looks. Let's taste it, right? So I'm going to put some of the rest of these strawberries, the rest of this fruit that I didn't use, in my cup. Look at this. Yeah, this looks amazing, right? And then here you have it. Brunch. Have your girlfriends over. They can chit, they can chat, and they can eat. Have some bacon. And this is just a great all-around drink to have whenever you have brunch. Right? Am I right? Am I wrong? Nope, I'm not wrong. So, toast. And that brandy definitely helps that, you know, that white wine not be too bitter. It's great. It's really good. And then you just let that sit, let your fruit sit in that, and at the end you just eating your fruit. It's just so good. It's Brunch at Tiffany's. Hey, Brunch at Tiffany's. I hope you enjoyed this Brunch at Tiffany's, and come back next Sunday for another fantastic, delicious brunch drink. I'll see you then, guys. Bye.